About this item: heavy checkmark, real heavy duty, designed by manufacturer to be super strong and anti-splitting. The tape can easily hold a big barrel with 18.7 L water, weight 45 pounds, standard width 1.88, 48 millimeters, each roll 60 yards long, convenient length. Heavy checkmark: the thicker, the better. After studying and researching, we increase the percentage of glue to have a better adhesion than the other same thickness tapes. Heavy checkmark: high transparency, the clear packing tape, opting high quality film and glue with good transparency. To serve you a better experience: heavy checkmark non-formaldehyde, the packing tape is water-based acrylic type, not solvent or hot melt. Heavy checkmark: easy to use, the shipping tape can perfectly fit into the standard 2-tape gun. Small tips: you can bend the very end of the tape to make a stab for quick open. There are 12-pack and 36-pack options also. If you looking for more rolls, in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: heavy checkmark, real heavy duty, designed by manufacturer to be super strong and anti-splitting.